95% of weekend woodworking projects never get finished. Here's why. Most people dive in without proper planning. Missing measurements, unclear steps, and cluttered workspaces lead to frustration. Crooked cuts and uneven joints make you want to quit. But here's the secret successful woodworkers know. Start with organization. Clear plans, clean workspace, and step-by-step preparation. When everything has its place, your project flows naturally. The result? A finished piece you're actually proud of. Your next project starts with planning, not cutting.